Welcome to Johnny's World. Hi, welcome back to Johnny's World. I'm here with Audie.
Hi.
And we're here at this Black Diamond wax apple tree. So this is the Black Diamond Jambu wax apple. And if you watched my prior video, you'll know it flowered. And look at that. There's some beautiful Jambu wax apples, the Black Diamond variety, that are, I think some of them are ripe. So Audie and I are going to taste test one of them. I think we're going to taste test this one. So this is the Black Diamond Jambu wax apple tree. And look at that cluster of wax apple. But anyways, we're going to pick this one. This is the first wax apple we're harvesting. Look at that. What do you think? Does that look good, Audie?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty big, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's do a taste test. Let's go. So here's the wonderful Black Diamond Jambu wax apple. Look how pretty that is. So this is our first harvest of a Jambu wax apple. So Audie, would you like to cut it?
Okay.
Here you go. Alright, maybe cut into fours. So why don't we try one? You want to grab one and I'll grab one?
Okay.
How is it?
It tastes like a Jambu wax apple.
Tastes like a Jambu wax apple?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever tasted one before?
Mm-hmm.
Long time ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That is pretty interesting. It tastes like there's a lot of water. So it's very watery. It tastes very refreshing. It's not as sweet. So I'm not sure if it means that it's not fully ripe or not, but it's very watery. It's very refreshing. It's it's hard to describe the fruit. It's crunchy and just watery, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's really good. I taste that rose taste too. It's not as sweet, but it's really good. It's really hard to... I want to describe it as a... I don't know. A
Watery apple.
watery pear? Or crunchy pear? Or maybe a watery apple? I don't know. But anyways, it's really good. Very refreshing. Not as sweet as I thought it would be, but very tasty nonetheless. Thank you very much for joining us.
Bye-bye.